끝났나 봐. Sound really fine. 너와 함께 했었던 시간이 길었어. 나 봐, 난 네 옷을 또 보고 있어. Hey, hey, yeah, yeah. I can't control. Hey, hey, yeah, yeah. I miss you, baby. Hey, hey, yeah, yeah.
Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel SS Reviews. In today's video I'm going to share my Myntra haul. So Myntra just had their end of season sale, which is the biggest sale on Myntra, and you're gonna get up to 80% off. So I've got quite a few stuff from there, and the first thing which I've got from there is this beautiful red colored kurta. It is from the brand Biba. And Biba itself is a very good brand and I really like stuff from them. So it's a very beautiful red colored kurta. It's a long kurta and I have paired it with the black embroidered palazzo, which looks fab. And it has thread embroidery going on the neck, which looks very good. And guys, I have wore red after like so many years. Like I don't even remember when I wore red. So yeah, I really feel good, and it's a very pretty color. And I'm kind of a person who don't really wear bright colors. I'll prefer more like pastels and white and black and all the mild colors, but I don't go for bright colors. But now that I am experimenting with every possible thing, so yeah, I am experimenting with colors as well, and I really like this red color and it makes me feel very good as well. So yeah, if you want to do anything, just make sure to do it in this quarantine. You're gonna love it. So the next thing which I've got from there is this beautiful A-line kurta, and I love wearing A-line kurtas, especially in the summer, because it looks very classy and it's very comfortable as well. So I really like wearing in summer, and I have got this from the brand Anoog, and I love Anoog as a brand. Their materials and designs are very unique and stylish, so I really like it. So it is women blue printed A-line kurta. It has shirt collar, so the shirt collar is quite different from what we usually go for shirt. Like it has like different kind of collar, which I really like it. And another thing is that it has short sleeve, so the sleeve is not quarter, not very short, but it has sleeve till your elbow, which makes it look so stylish. And guys, another very good quality of this kurta is that it has button up detailing going on the back, which makes the whole outfit so stylish. And this is the only reason why I've got this kurta. I got really fascinated with the design and I have never wore this kind of design. So yeah, this is the only reason why I got it. And I love the print as well. Like it has a lot of color and like it has pastel as well finally. So yeah, I really like the print, the color. Like overall, I love this kurta. And another very good quality of this kurta is that it has two pockets in front. So I prefer pocket dresses over any kind of dresses. I feel like it's very functional to have pockets in any dresses, and because of these two pockets, it makes the whole outfit very functional and stylish and classy. So yeah, I really like this feature of this kurta. And guys, the price of this kurta is $16.99, but you're gonna get amazing discount on Myntra. So if you're planning to buy any summer dresses, you can actually go for this one. And the next thing which I've got from there is again A-line kurta, and it is from the brand Nayo, and I have never got anything from this brand. This is the first time I have shopped from there, and surprisingly their designs and materials are very good. So it is women cream colored and green floral print A-line kurta. It has high neck, 3/4 sleeves, hook and eye closure and flared hem. And the main thing is that it has boat neck, and boat necks are my favorite. I really like it. Like, it makes the whole outfit very comfortable and classy. And it has flared sleeves, so the sleeve is also very comfortable and very functional. Like, I cannot really wear long flary sleeve, but I can wear a quarter. So yeah, I really like this one. And what else, it has like, the material of this kurta is 100% cotton, and the material is very comfortable, guys. Like, trust me, the material is very comfortable and really apt for the summer, like this hot summer. So yeah, if you want to buy anything for the summer, you can actually go for this one and the previous one. Like, the both of them are my favorite from this lot. And the price of this kurta is $12.99, and you're gonna get discount every time on Myntra. And the next thing which I've got from there is this beautiful pair of flat, and I have got it from the brand Ink 5 or Ink.5. So it's a beige open toe woven design flat. It has regular styling synthetic upper, cushioned footbed, textured and patterned outsole, and the material of this flat is synthetic. And guys, I have got a very good deal on this one. Like, I have got 75% off or 80% off if I'm not sure, but I'm gonna add the screenshot of the price. So yeah, do check it out. And this is what I generally do, guys. If I wanted to buy anything branded or expensive, I'm gonna wait and buy it in their EORS sale or any biggest sale which happened on Myntra. Like, in every 2 months or 3 months, they're gonna get their sale, and they're gonna give you up to 80% off, which is an insane deal. So yeah, I make sure to buy everything on their sale only. And guys, the next and the last thing from this haul is this beautiful sling bag from the brand Ether. So it is beautiful purple solid sling bag. It has button closure, 2 main compartments, 1 external pocket, and it comes with a detachable sling strap and a wrist loop. And guys, coming to its measurement, so the height of this bag is 18 centimeter, the width is 27 centimeter, and the depth is 7 centimeter. And the material of this bag is synthetic leather. And guys, I have got this bag at 80% off. Yeah, it is an insane deal, and don't worry, I'm gonna add the screenshot of the price just to make sure. And I really like this one. Like, I love this one. It's very comfortable, and I usually wear a sling bag, like a crossbody bag, just to make sure that I don't feel any burden on my shoulders. So yeah, I really like this one. And if you ever got this deal, just go for this one without any second thought. It's a wonderful bag. And the original price of this bag is $17.99, which I'm never gonna pay, by the way. And yeah guys, this is what all I got from Myntra EORS sale, and I really hope you found this video helpful. And if you have any suggestion or request, just do let me know in the comment section below. I would love to take your request and make a video out of it. So yeah, make sure to comment below, and yeah, do all the fancy stuff. Subscribe, share, and like this video if you like it. And I'll see you in my next one. Till then, you all stay happy and stay indoor and don't go out. Take precautions, and if you want to shop anything, just shop online, because it's not safe to go outside and shop. So yeah, take all the precautionary measures and stay safe and stay indoor. I'll see you in my next one. Till then, you all stay happy. Bye.